Hey everyone, I'm here at the Microsoft Technology Center in Playa Vista with Chris Felippo, who's a creative architect here at Microsoft. We just came out of a pretty awesome retail innovation event. Two-day retail innovation event where we were mapping out customer journeys and operator journeys for a big retail customer of ours. Can you tell us, like, what the heck is a retail innovation two-day journey mapping event?
What there are about is trying to understand our retail customer's customer, our customer's customer, and really trying to understand how to get to the heart of them and what is the perfect ideal journey for that customer, which helps your customer, which in turn helps our customer, which helps their business growing, and really get into what the experience is and the perfect experience and how to build the ideal place for a customer to journey through.
So what do you do? What's your deal? You're not a technology architect, you're a creative architect. Yes. So what is that?
So mine is the merging of understanding first the customer, and then two, understanding what is the creative opportunities. So even though I don't have this big of a tech background, I understand Microsoft technologies and other technologies, how they work together to build that ultimate creative experience, that's hence the word creative in it, experience, and the architect. So taking those two worlds and slamming them together and really making the ideal, creative, perfect experience for a customer.
That's awesome. Yeah. So what's wrong with what are retail customers struggling with today?
So, and it's not just retail on the first one. The big one is the silo of industries, and because companies themselves are so siloed, like the one we were talking with today, all the departments aren't talking to each other. It doesn't allow for the customer to have the ideal experience. So by you as a company not being so siloed and how you work, you can't give that perfect experience to the customer. So by looking at through the other lens, through the customer, they themselves see how they're siloed and they break their own silos. We show them the path, because you can't go, you're wrong. It's teaching them the right way to do it to break it. That's the first one in retail space. And two, the second big one in retail is personalization. We live in a world now of everybody wants what they want their way, which is good. It's a good thing.
Perfect.
And that's the two big aspects of it right now in retail space.
So trying to figure out the customization, personalization of what customers need.
I want the thing my way, right? How I want it, my way, when I want it.
And why is Microsoft doing this? We did it pretty well.
Yes.
So it's new Microsoft.
The new Microsoft. Yeah. So I'm part of this new Microsoft. So why we're doing this is it is all about the customer. It used to be, it was all about tech because the tech had to drive how things were. We've reached a world where the tech is now limitless. So since the tech is now limitless, I need to focus on the customer. So anything is possible. So with everything being possible, what do I do for the right thing for that customer? That's why Microsoft is playing it. It's a brand new world. It's the best time to be alive. This, as they call it, the fourth revolution. It's fantastic. So that's why we're doing it. And we as Microsoft need to do this because this is the way the world's going. The Apples, the Amazons, and everybody else is going this way. And we need to be a part of it. And we are a part of it.
So technology, focusing on the customer, and then intense and deep personalization about how customers
It's all about the experience, right?
The
personalization.
You're the man.
I try.
Thanks a lot, Chris.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Cool. Thanks.